What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and I talk about frugal living, fitness motivation, and minimalism. In this video, I'm going to go over how I'm going to organize my Fuelings that I just got from Optavia. I meant to mention it in my previous video, but this plan is a little pricey. So if you are following the Dave Ramsey plan, baby steps for example, I do not recommend doing this if you are not done with baby step 3. So just want to put that up there. It's just a convenient way to have low calorie meals throughout the day. It's regimented. It's very strict and regimented. Okay, to organize all my Fuelings, I have a bunch of these containers and I'm going to put little labels on them that I got from Walmart, everything I got from Walmart. And I'm going to write with this silver Sharpie, and I'm going to categorize them as sweet, savory, crunchers. So I only got one shake, and if you're doing the plan for the first time, when you go on the website, it has like pre-checked things for you to get, Fuelings, but you can customize it. So you can uncheck things and double check things, and you can get 5 boxes of, brownies or whatever. So because of that, most of the Fuelings I got are savory, and I have one shake, and it's the peanut butter shake, and then I got 3 boxes of bars, and 3 boxes of brownies or puddings, and then I got 2 boxes of crunchers and 1 box of the cereal. So I think I'm going to do, like I mentioned, sweet, savory, crunchy, and just do it like that. I might separate my shakes depending on how it looks. Okay, let's do it. So one of my mashed potato bags were busted, but I got 2 boxes of them, and only one little package was busted. So I'm not really too concerned about it, but I do think you should return that box. It was messed up or you didn't like it. There's Titan. He's been hanging out over there with his treat. Good boy. He likes to be in the camera. I decided to make another category called bars. Since I have a good amount and it's a different, shape, texture and all that, I'm probably going to have these for breakfast. Like when I wake up, within the hour you're supposed to have your first fueling. And since I have a 1-year-old, I'll probably do this one. So the crunchers are pretty big, so I had to make another bin for them. Okay, so here's how I have all of my fuelings set up. Okay, so since the bins are like rectangles, I've got them. I just put the label on the long side. So I've got the crunchers in one category, the savory in another category. And then I've got my bars all together and then my sweets all together. And I'll do my lean and greens for dinner probably. And then throughout the day, like at work mostly, I'll have the crunchers and the savory. Maybe the sweet. I'll have like a mix of those throughout the work week. Okay, over here is right beside my fuelings. I've got my kind of like my command center. And I'll walk you through it. So I've got my condiment list right here, right in front of me. I also have an electronic copy, so when I go grocery shopping, I know what condiments I can get. And then I've got my healthy fat list here. It's actually the second page of the condiment list. So these are the healthy fats you can have with your lean and greens. And then I've got my lean and green sheet right there with my weekly meal plan kind of ideas right under it. So I know what I'm eating every day. And I already went to the grocery store, so I've got my lean and greens lined up for the week. And then you'll also get this vegetable conversion chart, and that tells you how, like, your portion sizes, the weight, and the ounces. Like on some of these lists, it'll list your serving of vegetables in maybe half a cup, but for solids, you need to weigh those on a digital scale. So a food scale weighs solids, and then those little measuring cups is so you can measure liquids. So that's why we have this vegetable conversion chart for those kinds of things. I chose to separate these away from my pantry because my boyfriend is here right now and he has a lot of delicious and unhealthy foods. So I just don't even want to look at it. I can't throw that stuff away right now. So I just, out of sight, out of mind is kind of what I'm trying to do. So I just have all this stuff right here. And I have all of my lean and green stuff for the week in the refrigerator. I can go over that with you guys in another video, my lean and greens and my little extra gadgets I have. So that's all I have for you in this video, and I hope this organization of my fuelings helped you out. All right, see you next time.